Hi, today I'm showing you how to check if your Baofeng 888 radio has a VOX function. First, the radio should be on channel 5 to do this. So I turn on the radio.
Power on. 5.
It's on channel 5. You should check if the monitor key is functioning. That one is functioning. And the PTT button is functioning too. Now you have to turn off the radio and then hold the monitor and the PTT button and turn it on again.
Power on. 5.
And it says 5, it doesn't say on or off. So the VOX function probably missing. If you select channel 16 and do the same like the monitor and the PTTK and then turn it on.
On. Power on. 16.
It said on, power on 16, and now we turn on the scan function, which I'm gonna turn off now. So the scan function is okay. I turn it off now.
Off. Power on. 16.
So I do it again on channel 1, for example. Radio is off now, holding the monitor and the PTT, turning it on.
Power on. 1.
And nothing happens. So these cheap Baofengs don't have the VOX function in spite of the eBay listing. I hope I helped. Bye bye.